Hello friends, welcome to channel Beauty of Life. In today's video, we are going to make a chocolate mug cake. So see this video up to end.
So let's see how to make a chocolate mug cake. It takes 17 minutes. It is very easy and nutrition info you can see in a per serving that it contains 619 calories. You can see the dry ingredients which we needed. So now let's see the way step by step guide. Let's see the video. It's ready now. So, it's successes. We hope you had fun making it. Enjoy the meal. Share your thoughts in the comment box. Rate this recipe also.